Welcome guys to my channel. Today I've got a review for you guys. I have the new Kiko Milano Active Foundation. It is a stick foundation. It comes in 22 shades and they recently came out with this foundation actually not too long ago. I also picked up one of their lipsticks from their holiday collection. By the way, that holiday collection is stunning, but it is a little pricey, I find. So I have one color of their lipsticks, one shade of their lipsticks, which is the color Cappuccino, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to be putting this on and testing the foundation. So like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this, but it comes in 22 shades. It is $19 US, and it says that it's a long-lasting 16-hour hold. So that's a big claim. It's a natural finish and it's sweat resistant from what I can read here. So I'm going to try it out. I'm not usually someone who likes sticks foundation. I rather a liquidy foundation, if you ask me. That's my personal preference, but I really wanted to try this one out. So I have the color 5, and so I'm just gonna prep my face with the Make It Last setting spray by Milani. I love to just prime my face before I go in with any type of foundation. Just helps with the longevity of your makeup, and not only that, but the foundation and the makeup looks flawless, if you ask me. I am not done priming the face. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This is a lovely primer for hydration. I've been loving this one. It's just so magical. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. And it smells like watermelon, which is so good. I don't know why. I love watermelon. If you guys saw my previous videos, you know, but I've been also loving the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. This is great to mattify the center of your face if you have oily skin. So, I hope the color is okay. Maybe it's a little too light for me. Smells like my birthday candles. So I'm gonna blend that with a brush. I think for a stick foundation, a brush is a must. I want to try this brush I got from a kit to see how it blends. So see if it moves at all. I mean, it is blending easily, I guess, into the skin. See, the thing about these type of foundation, it's that they just leave like those marks from the brush. Okay, so it's blending nicely. Like I'm seeing that it's very sheer. Like I thought I was gonna look at that, how glowy my skin looks. It's also because of all of the primers I applied. Let me switch to another brush. I think this one is a little bit too dense. So something a little bit more fluffy maybe would work. Which one? This one or this one? Maybe I'm gonna go in with this one because it's a lot fluffier. So I'm gonna go in. So this is what it looks like. It did even out my skin tone, but I do see a little bit of my scars peeking through. And it's, I don't know, let me go in with a second layer. This is very, very glowy. I'm gonna go down here too. It is so sheer, you guys. So if you have very oily skin, maybe this is not the foundation for you. Like it said in their website, it is a natural finish foundation. Yeah, I think it's going way better with this brush. So a kabuki, but not a too dense kabuki, because I don't know, that brush wasn't really blending the foundation nicely. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is really blending in like a dream. Look how glowy that is. Oh my god, that's crazy. The hairline, and I like the color. I'm really into like neutral tones when I pick my color shades, so I just check out what they have available with neutral undertones, and that's what I usually pick. So now that I blended with this brush, oh, it is looking so glowy. Oh my god. So this would be perfect for an everyday foundation because it's not looking heavy on my skin. I like the glowiness, that radiant glow it's leaving my face. So I'll definitely have to set some of the, or mattify certain areas. And I really feel like it doesn't feel like I have tons of makeup on, which is nice. This is unreal. So I think I like it. So 2 layers for me was good, and it actually covered some of the scarring I had. I mean, look how glowy this is. For a stick foundation, this is unusual because usually stick foundations are very thick and matte. It feels weird because as I apply it on my face, I feel the like top layer melt almost, and I like it actually. Yeah, I love this foundation. I love it. Love the coverage, love the glowiness, how easy it is to apply. Love the undertone. Blendable. Very easy to blend. Covered up my scarrings. Wow. But it is sheer. Like, can you guys see that? But I don't mind that because that's why we have powder, and then we have a beautiful radiant complexion and just mattify certain areas where we want more of a matte finish. So I want to see how this works with the rest of my makeup, so contour and concealer. So I'm going in with my Makeup Forever concealer. I'm going just a little bit with this because I have the new e.l.f. concealer and I actually liked it a lot. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this e.l.f. This is their new Flawless Brightening Concealer. It's like this clicky pen, and it's very sheer, very natural. I actually like it. So I'm going to highlight with the shade Light 26N just to highlight the center of my face. Let's go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Wonder Stick contour stick. I have it in the color Deep. And I just like to use a brush for this and just blend it with a brush. So I'm going to set my face with the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the color Translucent. This is from Patrick Starr's brand. And I'm just going to add in certain areas. I won't mattify my whole face, because otherwise what's the point of having a glowy foundation if you're putting powder all over? So I'm just gonna grab a brush and just powder certain areas like under the eye. Alright, so let's move on to the lipstick. I'm so excited to try this one out. I love the packaging. Look at this. It is this gold packaging. It has the Kiko logo in here. So this is the Lasting Luxury Matte Lipstick in the color 2, which I believe it was called Cappuccino, if I'm not mistaken, but it doesn't say. Look at this. This is just a beauty. I love the color. So I am going to line my lips first, and I do have a lip liner from Kiko Milano. Look how small, because I used to use it a lot. This is the, oh god, I don't think I'm going to be able to read this, but I know it's in the color 533. It might be similar to the lipstick. So I'm just going to line my lips real quick. Always, always overline. These are so creamy. I really love the shade too. It's like a very muted nude. Really like that. So I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. Oh my god. Oh, that is the creamiest lipstick I've ever applied on my lips. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look at that shade. That is stunning. It is so creamy. Oh, I love the formula. It's the type of formula where you can't stop applying it. I am in love with the color, with the formula of this lipstick, you guys. Oh my god. It's just so creamy. And it feels comfortable. It's not sticky. It's like a velvety type of formula. I mean, it is matte, as you guys can see, but oh lord, I love this color. So this is the number 2. I'll link everything down below so you guys can see. Oh my god, I just can't stop applying this lipstick. It is my new favorite. And the color is just perfection for an everyday shade. Alright, you guys, so I am in love with both products, but I think my favorite one is the lipstick. The formula is just this buttery, velvety dream. And it just glides onto the lips so nicely, you guys. Like they don't feel, like my lips don't feel matte, you know when you apply like a very matte lipstick and it's just very, it glues your lips together. This is not that. It's velvety, and just the color of this lipstick is unreal. And the stick foundation, it is a perfect for everyday foundation. Very light, very easy to blend, but I recommend to go with a kabuki brush that is not too dense to blend that into the skin. It's looking well with the powder too, so it's nice. Like my face looks flawless, I have to say. It gives that glowiness that you love. If you really have dry skin, this is a great formula for a stick foundation. I've never seen anything like this. The formula is super creamy. It is buildable. I just applied 2 layers of foundation and it covered all of that pigmentation I had on my face and scars, like acne scars. So that is it for my review, you guys. If you have any questions, please write to me in the comment section below, and I will link everything also in the description box, so all of this. So take care, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.